Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So I'm going to show you my skincare routine using Makari Blue Crystal. This is Makari new collection. Makari is a skincare brand that deals with like so many range, like so many lines of skincare. Yeah, so yeah, this is one of them. This is the newest one which I have reviewed on my channel. So if you want to see how it goes, if you want to see my skincare routine, please keep on. I do, because I don't have any makeup. I just finished taking my bath, so I'm going to go in and use the beauty bar soap with a glutathione, kojic acid, and collagen. So I'm going to go in and wet it.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change, but
it's really good. They don't burn your face or anything. It just okay. So if you have Clarisonic, you can go ahead and use it. So I'm going to go ahead and wet my Clarisonic and just take a little bit of soap, just like this. So in just 1 minute, but you can actually do it again, like if you want to use it like up to 2 minutes, or just a minute is enough for me. So when I'm washing my Clarisonic, I like to open it and wash it well. So that's it, and I'll just leave it to get dry.
Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it's slowly.
So after that, the next thing I do is to go in with St. Ives oatmeal scrub, but I don't want to use this today. I'm actually reviewing this for the first time. I'm just going to use this. This is a Peter Thomas scrub, so I'm going to try this to see how it's. Well, this is my first time of trying this. He promised to review new skin, so and this is like a cream. There's no micro beads or anything. It just feels like you're putting cream. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off and see how it looks.
All over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing. Just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side.
So I'm actually trying this out for the first time. So after washing it off, I'm going to go ahead with my cotton pad and this toner. I have a time to clear toner. I'm just going to add a little bit, and I'm going to use it to wipe any excess. So after that, I'm going to go ahead with my lemon oil.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
So after that, I'm going to go in with the serum. So this is Makari Blue Crystal Ultimate Intense serum with glutathione and collagen and vitamin C. I'm going to go ahead and use it, and it looks like this. It feels really good. You can see how it absorbs into my skin, like so well. Yeah. So guys, after that I'll give it some seconds as well, and I'll go in with the face moisturizer, which looks like this. And I'm going to make this much. And this is a still Blue Crystal Ultimate Intense with same glutathione and collagen and vitamin C. So I'm going to go in with that. Oh guys, this smells really good. So guys, one thing I noticed is that this absorbs into the skin like so well. You can see like, and give you that instant glow. Yeah. So the last but not the least, I'm going to go in with my eye cream. So guys, the next thing I do finally is to go in with this obviously. So guys, that's my skincare routine using new Makari Blue Crystal Ultimate Intense with glutathione, collagen and vitamin C. I think it's really good. So far so good. I just started using this, so like I said in my previous video, and if you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and watch that video. I'll link it somewhere. Yeah, let me know what you think, because I'm actually loving this new Makari line. Yeah, and it's really good. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye guys.